Hi everyone, my name is Vandana Malhotra. Welcome to my channel Know the New. Today I will teach you how to take character type of data using input function in Python. So let's start. For this I am taking a ch variable and here I will use input function. I will give user a message. Please enter any character. Now I will print this character, print ch, like this. If I run this program, right click, run input C, it is asking me to enter a character. Here I am entering P, enter, it will show me P. Now there is no problem. But if I enter any string instead of entering a single character, for example, if I rerun this program, and instead of entering just P, if I enter PQR, it will show me PQR. Now how to solve this problem? This is occurring because input function by default returns string type of data. Now to extract single character, we will use index. One option is we can use index with ch like 0. This way, this will extract single character. If I right click, run, enter, PQR, it will show me P. But problem is still there. In ch still there are 3 characters. So we will not use index here. We can also use index along with the input function like this. This way ch will contain only single character. If I run this program, run input C, enter any character. If I enter here PQR, it will extract just P. So in this way you can extract single character or you can take character type of data using input function in Python. In the coming video series, I will teach you more complex program. Till then, keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you very much.